name is Bhavya Anand, and I'm the Director of South India for Haisham Anand & Company. We're a 113-year-old firm. And today I'm going to show you Loiva G35 automatic pocket weld machine. So come with me, I'm going to show you how it operates. This is our top fabric that we are placing it over here. We press this button and it starts the welting process using a laser. It's a very unique machine because it can be used in knits, it can be used in wovens without any frays. Now we move to the second operation, attaching the bone. So over here we're going to make a pocket with a double bone. This is one bone material and this is the second bone material that we're going to attach. Yes, here we go. This is the second operation. So now you see it flips it, and after flipping it presses on the bone and takes it over there on the stitching platform and does the top stitch of the bottom. After this we have an option to attach the pocketing fabric in this. So I'm placing a pocketing fabric over here and I'm again setting this machine on run. So now it will take the pocketing fabric along to the workstation, and over here it's going to do the top stitch now. After the top stitch, this machine will do the bar ticking. This is the right bar tick and now the left bar tick. So as you can see, we've attached this and done it perfectly. There's a bar tick here, there's a bar tick here, there's a top stitch that's been done, and the pocketing fabric has also been attached in one operation. No need to turn, no need to do the pocketing, no need to do the bar tick again. Everything can be done in one perfect machine. Loiva G35, the video is also available on YouTube. Thank you.